Like, I'm gonna sip this coffee on this wig and get this wig a moment of silence because bitch, she need it. Okay, she needs it. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this unit that I am currently rocking, and it's from VIPWIGS.com. I will leave all their information down below in my description box, as well as all the specs on this particular unit that I am wearing, because honestly I don't know everything off the top of my head, but I will link the unboxing of this wig on the screen. And when I first took it out of the package, the texture looked kind of like a kinky curly texture, and I felt like, oh, she was gonna be popping, but I did not know I was gonna instantly fall in love with this wig. Now, if you guys are familiar with my channel, then you know how I feel about curly hair. I'm always coming across a gem, and here we are again with another bomb curly wig. So this wig, I'm not for sure. Like I said, I'll link on the screen if they consider this a bob wig. I'm not for certain. To me, it's not really a bob, but I guess it's kind of like in the family. But it is a 13x6 unit, and I will link some overlays so you can see the parting space. But this is how the parting space is looking currently. And this wig does come with a elastic band sewed in it already, so I like that. I did decide to go in and adhere it down with some Got To Be Glue gel and spray. I've been doing my wigs like that lately because I get an application that lasts like 3 or 4 days. And since I'm going to be trying out this wig over the next couple days, and I'll be uploading some overlays throughout this video so you can see how this wig is doing on different days. But let me tell you, sis, like, look how bomb and defined these curls are. And stay tuned until the end, because I'm going to show you exactly how, like, it's going to be like a mini curly hair routine. It is so simple. It only consists of water and 2 products. So if you are interested in seeing how I achieve this very natural defined curl pattern, then stay tuned until the end. This wig is 130% density, and I think it's perfect. Let me spin around so you guys can see it from all angles. So I do have my part on the right side today, and yes, this is how it's looking. It does have probably like a few pieces that I'm probably going to go in and cut a little bit more. But yes, tomorrow when I wear this unit, I'm gonna like make it more full. So I will insert an overlay clip of how it's looking like the next day as I'm wearing it. But sis, check out this hairline. No baby hairs needed at all, and the hairline does come customized already. I went in and pulled out a couple of hairs. Like, I didn't really do much at all. And the knots do come pre-bleached, although I did go in and bleach the front one more time just because I felt like it needed it a little bit, honestly. And yes, like, I believe this wig is 10 inches and it's perfect. This wig is perfect. It looks like somebody who has natural, like, 3B-ish hair, you know what I mean? Bomb. This is hair goals, period, poo. Okay, so oh my gosh, I don't even know what else to say other than I'm absolutely in love with this wig. I will leave all the information down below so you can check out VIPWIGS, because they do have affordable prices, and judging by the initial quality of this unit, I'm here for them. Okay. Freaking curls are bomb. Look how defined they look. Oh my gosh. This is the... Y'all tired of me. I know. But this is one of the most beautiful curly wigs I've ever tried. I'm gonna snip this piece right here. Oh my gosh. Like, I'm getting hairgasms for real. For real, for real. This is some beautiful curly hair. I almost cussed. Like, this hair is so freaking bomb. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna give you guys a 360 so you can see how it looks super defined. I'm gonna brush it out and make it full, but I really don't want to. Like, look, and the hairline is bomb. Like, I didn't even really do anything to it. Like, the parting, if you like your parts more defined, you can go in and tweeze them a little bit, but this is curly hair. I don't really care. I want parting, but I don't really care how defined it is, because I feel like with curly hair you don't need your parting super defined. Like, I'm gonna sip this coffee on this wig and get this wig a moment of silence, because bitch, she need it. Okay, she needs it. I gotta take some pictures. This whole look, like natural makeup in this wig. Yes, everyday wig, work wig, summer wig, full of nigga, make them think it's my hair wig. This wig is bomb. Okay, period.